Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to gift stars to friends in Telegram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Telegram and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Here, on the top tap on 3 lines, and then tap on Settings. Now, scroll down and tap on My Stars. Here, tap on this option which is Gift Stars to Friends. Now from this list, choose your contact. For example, this one. Now you can choose any package for your friends. For example, this one on the top. Now you can pay with your credit card and give a stars to that friend. Also, this was first method. And in second method, you can use Fragment and buy some stars with ton and give them to any contact you want. So that's basically how you can gift stars to friends in Telegram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.